Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you add email address for notifications on your Wake app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So when you click here on your photo profile, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on edit profile. So then come to this list here. Then you go down and you click here on security here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open video here. So it's going to take a time. So then you click here on email address for notifications. Click on it and come to this list here. Enter your email address. Then you click on save. So then it's going to save video here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.